Today we'll be upgrading Vanity light bulbs to LED bulbs from Diode Dynamics. The packaging for this kit is labeled for 2015 to 16 WRX, but it does work with the VB WRX. I'll be using a plastic pry tool kit. This is pretty cheap. Link will be in the description below. You certainly use a flathead screwdriver, but obviously you can damage the plastic housing. The original incandescent bulb gets hot pretty quickly, so I will leave them off until you are ready to do this. Right here, I am using the pry tool to help get the bulb out because the bulb is already hot. A lot of LEDs are polarity sensitive, so if you touch the leads and it does not come on, simply flip it around. Obviously, for the brightest light, you want to make sure that the LEDs are pointing towards you. You may have to rotate it slightly. Now we'll just have to snap the cover back on. Make sure you orientate it correctly because the two sides of it is slightly different. We'll just have to do the same thing to the other side. We'll be all set. Alright guys, this is the before with the original incandescent bulbs. And this is the upgraded LEDs. As you can see, a whiter color, more modern look. Thanks for watching, and again, hit the like and subscribe button for a lot more VB WRX videos.